डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लोग पैट्रियोटिज़म वाला मजमून जो है वो ऐसे करेंगे या वाई आई लव माई कंट्री। तो दोनों आ जाएं तो एक ही चीज़ होता है। तो ये वाला जो ऐसे है ये दोनों टॉपिक्स के लिए। टॉपिक्स बाज़ दफ़ा तीन चार भी हो सकते हैं लेकिन उनका मजमून एक ही होता है, यानी कि ऐसे जो लिखना होता है। तो ये बहुत दफ़ा डिफरेंट पेपर्स में आ चुके हैं। शुरू करते हैं। पैट्रियोटिज़म मीन्स लव फॉर वंस कंट्री। अ पैट्रियोटिक पर्सन रेस्पेक्ट्स एंड सर्व his homeland sincerely. Every person should love his country because it gives him identity, freedom, and protection. I love my country very much because it is my homeland and the place where I was born. My country is beautiful and full of natural resources. It has green fields, high mountains, rivers, and historical places. The people of my country are brave, hardworking, and kind. Different cultures and traditions make our country more colorful and attractive. We celebrate many national and religious festivals with a great joy and unity. I love my country because our elders made many sacrifices for it. Thousands of people worked hard and even gave their lives to achieve freedom. We should never forget their sacrifices. Our soldiers also protect the country day and night so that we can live peacefully and safely. Patriotism does not mean only waving flags or singing national songs. A true patriot obeys laws, respects others, and works honestly for the progress of the country. Students can serve their country by studying well and becoming responsible citizens. Teachers, doctors, farmers, and engineers and workers all play an important role in the development of the nation. Although our country faces some problems such as poverty, unemployment, and corruption, I still love it deeply. Every country has difficulties, but good citizens always try to improve their nation instead of criticizing it all the time. We should work together to make our country stronger, cleaner, and more successful. In conclusion, patriotism is a great virtue. A person who loves his country always wishes for its progress and peace. I am proud of my country and I will always try to serve it with honesty and dedication. My country is very precious to me and I can never stop loving it. तो ये तकरीबन 320 जो वर्ड्स हैं उन पर मुश्तमिल है। तो बड़ा ही आसान लफ्ज़ों में लिखा गया है, इजीली आप याद कर लें इसको।